Your team deleted an old RDS instance last week, and not carelessly, either. Someone remembered to take a final snapshot before deleting it. Today you need to restore that database to a point in time from 3 days before the deletion, right when a bad migration landed. The option just isn't there. Why? Here's exactly what happened. The team ran delete DB instance with a final snapshot identifier attached, so there's a snapshot sitting in the console right now. Today, someone tries to restore to a point in time from 3 days before that deletion, and the restore command comes back with an error saying the source instance can't be found. So what's the actual explanation? Is it that final snapshots simply don't support point-in-time restore, only manual snapshots taken while the instance was running do? Is it that deleting a DB instance deletes all of its automated backups by default, even when you take a final snapshot, unless you explicitly opt out? Is it that point-in-time recovery only works for multi-AZ deployments, and this one was single AZ? Or do automated backups just get wiped on a rolling 24-hour basis no matter what your retention setting says? The answer is, deleting a DB instance deletes all of its automated backups by default, even when you take a final snapshot, unless you explicitly tell it not to. Here's why. A final snapshot and automated backups are two completely different things, even though they show up in the same place in the console. A final snapshot is one manual snapshot frozen at the exact moment of deletion. You can restore from it, but only to that one moment. Automated backups are what let you restore to any second within your retention window, because RDS is continuously archiving transaction logs alongside the daily backups. Taking a final snapshot answers, do I have a backup? It doesn't answer, can I go back to last Tuesday? The CLI's own default gives this away. The flag is called delete automated backups, and it defaults to true. So unless someone explicitly passed the opposite flag, the moment that delete command finished, the entire automated backup history was gone, snapshot or no snapshot. That's exactly why the restore command fails. Point-in-time restore depends on the source instance's own automated backup history. Once the instance and its automated backups are both gone, there's no history left, just that one frozen snapshot sitting off to the side. The fix is to explicitly keep automated backups alive past deletion by passing the no delete automated backups flag alongside the final snapshot identifier when you run delete DB instance. Those retained backups get their own resource ID, keep working with point-in-time restore even after the instance is gone, and still cost storage and still expire on the retention window, so check on them and clean up the ones you no longer need instead of assuming a final snapshot alone had you covered.